Okay, in today's class, I'm going to look at how to create a map. We're going to learn how to create a map from a data set. So if I want to create a map, so I already have this data. I want you to have a map. So what I'll do, I use my pivot table here. Click on pivot table. Eh? So click on the pivot table. I'll just click OK. I want to just click OK. It's supposed to arrange. So click inside the data, end of the data set here. Click on insert pivot table. Then just click OK. Then click OK, it opens this way. So drag your states to. So I want to see by state. So drag your states to the row, states to the row. So to show me the state I have on the data set. Then I want to measure by total sets. Drag the total sets to where we have value. Let me put it in accounting format. Click on this form here. How do you come out to it? So so I have this like this. If I want to create the map from here, I have to say
Okay.
you want to create a map from here, it will not create. So
Okay.
what you do, copy the text, use your formula, just click on this side, make it a plain text, which is standard text. So click on, so this is A4, have you?
Yes.
A4. So click here, then I've copied it just like that. So copy it, then just drag, then take it downward, take it. Now take it this way, I've copied down, and take it by the side.
Okay, you copy
So I make
before
it,
you click on a
yes,
on the formula.
yes. So I'll
Okay.
make it a text now.
Okay.
So I'm making the text now. So what I'll do, I just click on insert, then go to map. This way, see your map. Click on the map, then choose the map. Make sure your internet is on. Make sure the
Okay,
internet
my
is on.
internet must be on.
Yeah, so to give you the map, look at the map of Nigeria. So it's now, so this each point where you have your states. You can see this Kaduna. So this is Plateau.
But sir,
Sorry,
the name is not
this
there.
Enugu.
Okay, yes, I can see.
You can see the name, have
Yeah,
you?
this is Abia.
Abia. So because this side
Oh,
is
yeah.
Oyo, so you can move down.
Lagos. Ah, Lagos small
Lagos.
like that.
Lagos is the smallest state in Nigeria.
Lagos.
Yes. So click on Edo. So you can see that now. So this is how you create map
Okay.
using Excel, Microsoft Excel.